Welcome everyone. Today we will solve few examples on circuit breaker ratings. The first one is a three-phase circuit breaker is rated at 2000 MVA 33 kV. You are supposed to find its making current. So the specifications given are 2000 MVA 33 kV. It is a three-phase circuit breaker. So to find its making current, we know that the making current is given by is 2.55 into the rated symmetrical breaking current. So this is the formula to find the making current, 2.55 into rated symmetrical breaking current. So we don't know what is rated symmetrical breaking current. So we'll find that and then we'll find the making current. So this rated symmetrical breaking current is given by the rupturing capacity in MVA divided by root 3 into the operating voltage in kilovolt. So this will have a unit in kiloamps. So we'll substitute. So rated symmetrical breaking current is equal to, what is the rupturing capacity in MVA? It is 2000 MVA. So we'll just write 2000 divided by root 3 into the operating voltage in kilovolt. It is given 33 kV. So we write 33. So whatever answer we get, it will be in terms of kiloamps. So this, if we calculate, it comes to 35 kiloamps. So this is the rated symmetrical breaking current. So what is making current? Making current is equal to 2.55 into the rated symmetrical current, that is 35 kiloamps. So which comes to around 89.25 kiloamps. So this is the making current of the circuit breaker. The next question is to find the rated symmetrical breaking current, making current and short time current for the given circuit, which is rated at 1250 amps, 2000 MVA, that is megavolt amperes, 33 kV and 4 seconds. So we will write the data which is given. So the solution. So it is given rated normal current is 1250 amps. The rupturing capacity is 2000 MVA. The operating voltage is 33 kV. and the time is 4 seconds. So these are the data given. First we have to find the rated symmetrical braking current. So we will use the same formula which we have used in the previous problem. So the rated symmetrical braking current is given by the rupturing capacity in MVA divided by root 3 into the operating voltage in kilovolt. So this, if you substitute, you will get the answer in kiloamps. So it is 2000 divided by root 3 into 33, which comes up to 35 kiloamps. And we are supposed to find the rated making current. So again, if you calculate, you will get it in the same way as we have done for the previous equation. Okay, that is a rated making current is nothing but the rated symmetrical braking current into 2.55. So it is 2.55 into 35 kiloamps, which is 89.25 kiloamps. So what it tells, what is the short time rating? The short time rating is it will carry the current which is the symmetrical braking current for 4 seconds. So this is the short time rating. Sorry, it is 35 kiloamps, not 35 amps. It is 35 kiloamps for 4 seconds. Okay, so we have to specify what is the duration for which the circuit breaker will make the circuit. The next is 11 kV 500 MVA circuit breaker suddenly closes onto a fault. So we have to determine the symmetrical braking current. The asymmetrical braking current, we assuming 50% DC component, the peak value of the making current and the short time current rating. So we have been provided with the data, that is rupturing capacity. Rupturing capacity is given, which is equal to 500 MVA. The operating voltage is given, which is 11 kilovolt. So first thing, we have to find the symmetrical braking current. We will use the same formula. Symmetrical braking current is nothing but the rupturing capacity in MVA. Rupturing capacity here is 500 divided by root 3 into the operating voltage in kilovolt. So this is the answer which you obtain will be in kiloamps. So if you calculate, this comes to around symmetrical braking current. On calculating, we get it as 26.24 kiloamps. Next, they have given the AC component of the short circuit current, is it not? So that is DC component is given, 50% DC component. So we will find first the AC component of the short circuit current and then the DC component of the short circuit current. After that, we will find the asymmetrical braking current. So AC component of the short circuit current, say we'll write it as X, it is root 2 into asymmetrical braking current, which is root 2 into 26.24 kiloamps. So it is equal to 37.1 kiloamps. Okay. Next is the DC component. DC component of the short circuit current. How much it is? It is given to be 50% of the AC component. So we will take Y, which is DC component, is 50% of X. That means half of 37.1 kiloamps. So which is 18.55 kiloamps. So now we can find the asymmetrical braking current. Asymmetrical braking current, which is equal to root of X by root 2 the whole square plus Y square. So we get asymmetrical braking current as root of 26.24 kilo amps the whole square plus 18.55 kilo amps the whole square. So if we calculate this, we get it as 32.13 kiloamps. So this is actually the RMS value. Okay, and the peak making current. So peak making current is what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 2.55. So 2.55 into the symmetrical braking current, which is 26.24 kiloamps. So this comes to be 66.9 kiloamps. This is the rated making current. And the last one is the short time making current or the short time current rating. So what is the short time current rating? Short time current rating is the asymmetrical braking current, which is 32.13 kiloamps. So these numericals explain to you how you have to calculate the symmetrical component, braking component, asymmetrical braking component, as well as how to calculate the making current and how to calculate the short time current rating. So we will look into the various other examples in the upcoming video. Thank you.